Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to do a few unboxings. I have the Polk ES20s, these are the Signature Elite Series. I have my receiver, it's a Yamaha RX-A2A, and this Polk subwoofer, the HTS10. So let's get at that. Alright, last one, the Yamaha AVR RX-A2A. Put some information and an antenna. Power cord. Like this is the mic for your surround sound setup. Batteries for the remote. And the remote. Left, and then these are the present speakers, so your height speakers. Has pre-outs and all your HDMI's. These are all 2.1, and I think the update's been made, so this is 4K 120 or 8K 60, I believe. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like the videos and subscribe to the channel. I'll be hooking all this stuff up pretty soon. My TV's on its way, and we'll have this room up and running. Thanks a lot.